How to create the ideal middle school after-school band program. Do you dream of launching or enhancing a middle school after-school band program? You're in good company. Many educators see the value in extracurricular band activities for developing musical, social, and academic skills, along with aiding band recruitment. Creating a successful program, however, demands meticulous planning and execution. We'll guide you through 5 crucial considerations for establishing an ideal band program: setting clear goals, effective student recruitment and retention, selecting suitable music, organizing rehearsals and performances, and implementing program evaluation and feedback. To kickstart your program, define clear, SMART goals and objectives. Ask yourself what achievements you desire for your students and how these will align with broader educational standards. Setting specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound goals will streamline program planning and outcome evaluation. Recruiting and retaining students is your next challenge. Attract and keep students engaged through diverse strategies like promotions, providing instruments for those in need, and fostering a positive, inclusive band culture. Tailoring instruction to various skill levels and encouraging student feedback can also boost commitment. Selecting and arranging music that resonates with your students while meeting your program's goals is vital. Consider student interests, instrument availability, and performance themes when choosing music. This ensures your selections are both appropriate and engaging. Plan a rehearsal and performance schedule that's consistent yet flexible, incorporating varied teaching methods and establishing clear expectations. Performances should be well prepared, showcasing students' hard work and fostering a sense of achievement. Evaluating your program and gathering feedback are essential for growth. Utilize assessments and surveys to gather insights and present findings in an organized manner to stakeholders for program enhancement. In conclusion, establishing an outstanding middle school band program is a rewarding but complex task. By focusing on clear goal setting, effective recruitment and retention, thoughtful music selection, organized rehearsals and performances, and thorough program evaluation, you can create a nurturing and productive musical environment.